everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do this makeup tutorial that is on my face. It has been such a long time since I have done a bright and bold colourful makeup look. The main palette I used was the Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival palette, so it's been a while since I actually dug in and experimented with some of these colours, well most of them, so that's obviously what I was aiming for today and this is what I came up with. So if you want to know how I created this makeup tutorial, then I don't know what way. Just keep on watching. Just keep on watching. Okay, so now that I have my base makeup on, now I'm going to start on the eyes. So I do apologise that I'm going to be using 3 palettes in today's tutorial. I know sometimes that can be a wee bit much and a wee bit harder if you want to create this makeup look at home. I only have 3 palettes that have colour in them, but in each palette I need certain colours, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go between the NYX Ultimates palette, just this wee one here. Also the EYN Brights palette by Beauty Bay, because this has a really nice red in it. And then the Carnival palette by Be Perfect Cosmetics. I'm first off going to start with the Be Perfect Cosmetics palette. I'm going to take this yellow shade in the middle called King. I'm just going to start by pressing this just into the crease. So I'm just going to take that yellow shade right underneath the lower lash line as well. Just joining it to the crease colour. So I'm bringing it out in this shape. And then just joining it to the lower lash line. I'm just going to go into the EYN Brights palette from Beauty Bay, and I'm going to take this red shade in the corner. This is in the shade Surreal Strawberry. I'm going to take this just on a smaller blending brush, and I'm just going to start by buffing this into the crease. I was going to use orange, but then I was kind of thinking, well, we're working with colour here. Once you actually start blending red in with yellow, the colours transitioning will become an orange shade. I'm just going to be placing this shade just exactly where I placed the yellow shade, but I'm just keeping this tighter into my actual crease. With the yellow shade I was buffing it out more because that was my first line down shade. With this red shade I'm wanting to be more precise with my blending, hence why I have changed to a smaller blender brush. I'm just going to go into that first brush that we used to pack on the yellow shade, and I'm just going to start by dusting at those edges. So I just like the yellow shade, I also brought that just in the C shape around the outer edge of my eye to join along the lower lash line. Next shade I'm going to go into is, if I can pick up the palette, this purple from the Carnival palette. I'm going to take that on again, an even smaller blending brush. The reason I'm now taking this smaller blending brush is because, as you can see, it comes in a point. It's a tapered blending brush, so that just means I can really be even more precise with my placement of the shadow. Because this is now my 3rd shade and we are working our way down with the purple, I'm just wanting to be really precise with my placement. I'm just going to start by blending those edges. So again, now I'm using the really small precise blending brush just to really be precise with blending that purple. So this is actually the 3rd time I'm going in with the purple and I'm packing it on because I really want the purple to show, but every time I start blending it out, it blends to nothing. So I'm now just going to take my Sleek Life Proof concealer. I'm just going to use that on a Makeup Edition Cosmetics concealer brush, and I'm just going to start by cutting my crease. Okay, I'm going to take this shade here. I'm going to take that purple shade again, just on that wee small brush. I'm going to place that just in the inner and the outer corner. I'm now just going to take the NYX Vivid Brights liner in the shade Sapphire, and I'm tempted to do a wing in Royal Blue. Don't know why I just licked that. I just went in with the Morphe gel liner in the shade Vitamin C, and I just put that in my waterline. Okay, so that's the other eye done, so I just went on and put some lashes on as well. So I just used the Clio Beauty lashes in the style Bambi. So this is the L'Oreal Mega Volume Baby Roll Mascara in the shade Indigo. I'm just wondering, should I put this on my lower lash line? Oh, I look so much better now. So I did just go off camera there and take my hair down and give it a brush and whatnot. So now I'm just going to finish off this makeup look with my lips. And we have Spice by MAC. So I'm then going to use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Cairo. Just to let you know, I'm actually using the MUA foundation today again, and the MUA concealer. Yeah! Weird. Didn't actually think I would ever be using an MUA foundation and really loving it as much as I am. This is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video.